Alright guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set custom notification sends on Messenger. So let's dive in. So the first step you're going to do is click on your Messenger. And when you click on your Messenger, the next step is for you to click on those three line button up here. Click on it, and the next step is for you to click on the your setting. Click on this menu setting here, and you scroll down, scroll up, and you're going to find your notification and send. The next step is click on the notification and down and send, and the next thing is for you to scroll up and you will see custom notification down. Click on the custom notification, and the next step is for you to send anything you want to set here. You can see, and there's a send. Just click on the send notification send, and this is it. You can use a custom send for your notification. So this is it, guys. You can see and you can add notification. You can see from your phone. If you have another music you wanted to add to your notification from your phone, you can easily choose it anytime. So guys, if you found this video helpful, subscribe, click the like button, share. Thank you guys.